Hello everyone, welcome to our lecture, and today we will learn do while statement in the C languages. We can define do while as a true false statement. For example, while I is smaller or equal to 5, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will be true. But if I would be 6, it will be false. So the program will stop the work when the statement is false. But in the case the program will say this is true, the program will continue. So let's make an example and let's say integer I is equal to 0. So while, like we said, I is smaller or equal to 5, okay, if I will make a even or odd number program, so the program will print odd numbers. So if I% 2 is not equal to 0, what would be happen? Printf %d and print I. So there is I++ you need to add because I is going to be higher and higher every step. And let's see our program would work. As you can see, the program printed 135. So I will make a space here and let's run it again. As you can see, the program is a 135. But what about that? The program I%d, I%2 is equal to 0. What would be happen? Program will print 0, 2, 4. So everything is great. And there is no do statement, as you can see. Let's make another example and let's use do. And I will make a multiplication table here. So printf multiplication table. For example, what will happen when you write 5, for example, 5 times 1, 5 times 3, 5 times 4. I hope you understand what are we trying to do. And let's say integer I is equal to 1, and for example my program will start from 1. As you can see, you can do it 0. 5 times 0 is equal to 0. Program will start like that. And I have integer k. I said 5, but if k would be 9, as in this case 9 times 1, 9 times 2. So printf enter a value, okay, and I have scanf here, and I will scan k, as you can see, and let's make the program clear. Printf multiplication table is showed. Okay, and let's see do here. Do what the program will do. Printf %d times %d is equal to %d. So the first place is going to be, I think, k, and the second place is going to be I, and the third place is going to be k times I. So anything we need to do? Yes, of course we need to make I++ here, because the program will need to 1, 2, 3. It would be have to be continued. So, and also I read on the comments, someone asked, is this the same situation? For example, plus plus I or I plus plus. So it is the same thing. It has the same purpose, and we have here the while statement. While our line is the maximum number would be, let's say, 10. Okay, so I think we are ready to run our program. Let's run it. Multiplication table, we need to make a space here. Okay, multiplication table, enter a value, let's say 8, and as you can see, oh my god, there is a note here. As you can see, it's too complex to read, I guess. Enter a value 8. Now it is better, as you can see. The program would be showing 8 times 1 is equal to 8. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Our max point, as you can see here, 10, because I make it here 10. For example, if you do that 20, the program would be work as a 20. Let's see, as you can see, the program would work until 20. So I hope you understand the syntax of the do while. We always learned this part, the taking the values or the print the values, and this is something do the purpose of the here, the purpose of the program, and this is the condition while in this time. As you can see, for example, I is equal to 21, the program would stop, because in that case the program understands it as a false. So as you can see, false means stop in C languages. So I think this is it for today. I will see you on the next lecture. Take care of yourself.